This is me, and this is a lake in Slovenia in the middle of nowhere. But how did I get here? If you've missed my last video, I have departed on a small Euro backpack trip, first visiting Munich, then Vienna, Bratislava and Budapest. I wanted it to be as spontaneous as possible without planning much in advance, so I've let you decide on my Instagram on this next location. I have just arrived in Ljubljana, got off the coach. My coach was very much delayed because they also stopped us at the border. I don't know why I don't feel fully secure. It's a weird feeling. I just need to get to my hostel now.
I have your ID button first.
Oh my god, this is perfect. There's no one else in the room. I could literally choose any bed I'd like. There's just one more person staying in there. So, a quick info for all of you who are planning to stay in a hostel in Ljubljana. I pay 22 euros a night. I've learned now to always check the beds for anything yuck and most importantly, bed bugs. Two most crucial lessons if you're planning to stay in a hostel is do not forget a lock for the locker and do not forget flip-flops, otherwise you'll end up very unhappy. I paid way too much for this hostel to be after fucking doing this. These pillows are disgusting. I don't want to even think how many heads have been sleeping on it. We are in Ljubljana. After I do this, I will try and get some food because I'm quite starving. But yeah, I'm happy I saw some life outside. It wasn't bad. And I'm ready to discover the town. Perfect. Professional. Guys, the sad news is that everything was closed and I have to settle for McDonald's. And there is something wrong with McDonald's in this part of Europe, which I really don't understand. Well, I kind of get it. Chat me, babes. They charge you extra for ketchup, which is so sad considering I was always getting it for free. Apart from that, we're all good, we're all fine. It's a bit scary, but yeah, we'll get there. It's exciting, scary and thrilling and all these words. McDonald's. Here we are getting the local experience. This cost me 30 pence. Good morning. I went to grab some breakfast. I got myself a nice little granola bowl with some fruits. Last night was quite tough. I'm still new to this whole idea of hostel life. I don't have my lock. And I'm actually really worried for my stuff left locked for my locker in my room. So I am quite worried for my stuff. It's not that I'm judging anyone in my room, but I'm just worried for my stuff. So as soon as I eat, I think I will just have to go back up there. And I think they're checking out today at 11 in about an hour. So I will just wait. But I think it's half an hour and then make sure my stuff is safe because I really do not want to lose a lot of valuable things like my laptop. So anyway, I am really enjoying this whole backpacking life. I'm sure it will be fine. I'm just freaking out, that's why I'm just gonna eat and go back to the room and that's it. Got myself a ticket to see the castle. It was only €8.40, mostly because I'm hoping for some nice views, as there is a viewing tower and apparently you can get a nice stunning view across the whole of Ljubljana. So, what I figured from this place so far is that it's a really extremely peaceful place. If you really need to escape, if you really want to like cut yourself out from the world, I feel like this would kind of be the place to go. It's amazing how like this place just radiates with calmness for some reason. Do you get me? Do you get me, babes? Anyway, I'll be heading back to town now. Probably look around for some food soon as well. This guy here wants me to climb a lion.
No, not a lion.
A dragon, sorry, I forgot. I got distracted already with the top. What if I fall into the river?
No, I won't make you climb on top of the dragon. I promise. Yeah. Just climb, and then you know you need to lean forward enough. Okay, go.
Perfect. After climbing the dragon, my friend took me to try some traditional Slovenian food in a place called My Dumplings of Slovenia, where I tried my first strukli. It is basically a dumpling dough boiled in water with some yummy filling. I would really recommend it to everyone because it's really good. If you're looking for some legit Slovenian food, also this is your go-to. After that, I went to hang around the city before I went to change my hostel for a slightly better one, but the same price. I paid 22 euros. The following day, I was going on a trip to the Triglavski National Park, so I had to do some shopping before going to bed. Good morning, beautiful people. I've woken up quite early today. By early, I mean 7 a.m. because I am going on an adventure to the national park. I am on my way to the bus station. I've got about 15 minutes left. I'm going to Triglavski National Park, which is the biggest national park I think in Slovenia with the highest mountain range, mountain peaks. I won't be hiking extremely high because I'm not prepared for such hikes. Nevertheless, I'm gonna go around and see what's out there. I have arrived at my destination, Lake Bohnij, if I'm not wrong. That's where I'm gonna be starting my hike. I've just changed my plans on where I was meant to go. I'm gonna choose a more interesting trail along the lake, and then if I've got enough time, I will go and see a waterfall. It's around 2.5 to 3 hours. Let's see how far I get. Oh my god, look at this, guys. How fucking stunning is this? So pretty. Come on, guys, look at this. Clouds are going down, the mountains are starting to slowly reveal themselves, and we can see the other side of the lake. And yeah, I'm just excited and happy to be in the nature. This is gonna be my trail for the next 50 minutes. I presume. I am doing some proper exercise, mate, here. I'm just gonna have some food now before I carry on. Have some water, stay hydrated. Do you get me? Do you get me, babes? I'm not gonna lie, but I am really drained. I just hope now it's gonna be worth it for the views. All that London life, and then suddenly when you get here in the nature, you can't freaking handle it. I've reached my first stop, the viewpoint, and you can see the lake and the mountains. Oh my god. Wow. Paragliding. So I think reaching the waterfall was a bit overambitious. I ended up in this mountain shelter, which has some kind of weird folk party outside. And also had to order strukli. This is the best thing literally ever. Some updates. I've basically overestimated my abilities and skills and just time and everything. So there was just no way of me getting to that waterfall. I also just need to get back down now to try and catch a bus either to Bled or straight away back to Ljubljana. Sadly, I didn't make it. The more reason to come back here. They had a nice wild party. I guess the locals were just there enjoying and dancing. Always love to see that. Now just getting safely back down and trying to catch a bus. We're back on the normal road. Makes me so happy. I don't have much more to go. I think I'll take a shortcut here. Yep. This is literally the mountain I've climbed, but I've been just right there on that little spot over there. And just like that, I was back down by the lake. Slovenia is actually known more for its nature rather than cities, so I'm really happy I made it here. I hopped on the bus back to Ljubljana, and when I arrived I still had to do my washing. My only option was this public laundry that cost me €8. I've never done one of these, so I was actually really excited to do that. And just like that, it's been 3 days in this beautiful country. I definitely want to come back here, especially to the national park, to climb some higher mountains. But now off to my next destination, Italy.